Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, everyone, your worksheet is not complete. The worksheet we were doing in the previous class, it's still pending, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we will continue the same work right now. We are going to continue with the same work first.
Ma'am, I have done that for Shaurya.
Okay, Shaurya, beta, you have done, but all others, they have not completed. So let them complete. Let them complete the school work in school timing only, school hours only. Okay, so that you should be free from any kind of homework. You should not have any burden after these school hours.
Ma'am, in your screen, the photo is looking very small. I can.
Very small icon.
No, ma'am, I can't. I am saying I can't see.
You can't do what? You can't see.
Ma'am, so many of the students who have off their video, ma'am, there. Good morning, ma'am. There is one dot, big dot, and a body. There I can see it properly because it is looking very small. Everybody.
Okay. I don't know now. I don't know why it is so small. Good morning, beta. Good morning, Shobit. Mokshit, beta, have you completed your worksheet? All the answer the following in detail.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very nice. That means
Ma'am, can I ask one question?
Yes, I will share the screen once again with those who did not join the previous class.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of pre-host?
What is the meaning of?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of pre-host?
Pre-host. Where is pre-host written? First tell me this. Where is pre-host?
I'm just asking.
Pre-host, pre is something that is used before. So there was pre-host means somebody who was a host before, maybe like that. Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, can I go to bring my notebook?
Go, beta, go. Go get it. Now I'm sharing the screen with all of you. Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, which period is this? SST or English creative writing?
Beta, this is creative writing, but first I always make sure that we do the previous work first. So I'm making you do the worksheet that I shared in the previous class.
Ma'am, I done the worksheet, but ma'am, I don't know two answers, ma'am.
Oh, which two answers you don't know? Which
Sorry, ma'am, one answer, ma'am.
Which one?
And there is difference between archaeological source and literary source of history. And ma'am, what is an autobiography and biography? Give one example of each. This, ma'am.
Okay, so we will discuss it. Let everybody do it. Okay, Shobit, till then, beta, see, it is not a class test. Open your book. Open your book, open up chapter 1 and see where archaeological source and literary source is given. Okay, look into the book and try to search for the answer yourself.
Ma'am, we can look into the book.
Yes, beta, to solve a worksheet, you can always look into the book because this is not a class test. When I'll conduct a class test, I will let you know. Okay, then you will not be supposed to, then you will not be allowed to open the book.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when we will complete all the worksheet, so can we do the class test?
Yes, then I will start taking the class test.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, question 2, we write what is history, answer only.
Which question?
Ma'am, question 2.
Question 2, why do we study history? Why it is important to preserve it? So what do you want to know in the question, beta?
What is the answer? Question 2.
What, Raina? What Rasya? What are you saying? Beta, when you ask something, please be very clear so that the teacher can understand what you're asking. Sometimes it is so difficult to understand your question. I don't come to know what the child wants to know.
Please tell the question to answer. I don't know. I don't understand.
Okay, why do we study history? Why do we study history? We study history to know about our past. We study history to learn about our rich culture, about our rich customs. There are so many reasons why we study history. And why it is important to preserve history, why it is important to keep it safe, like the historical objects and all, why it is important to keep them safe. Now, for this,
Why you have written the answers?
no, you have to write the question. Who is this girl asking this question? I just want to know her name. Who is she? Beta, how many times will I tell you that you have to write questions and answers both when I share any worksheet?
Now, what is the meaning of preserve?
Preserve is to keep something safe. Okay, Shaurya Tyagi, what answer have you written? Why it is important to preserve history? Shaurya Tyagi, Mokshit Mishra, those who have done the work. Yes.
Ma'am, which question number?
Question number 2, second part. Why it is
ma'am.
important to
Ma'am,
preserve
I have
history?
written the answer. We study history to know the past. We can look at our old photographs or things used in past to know the history.
Yes. And why it is important to preserve our history? Why it is important? Why we should keep it safe? So that our future generations can also learn about them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know the third, fourth, and fifth.
Ma'am, please tell again second answer.
Okay, beta, see. Why it is important to preserve history so that, listen to it, only listen to it. Don't just try to write it while I speak. Try to understand it. It is important to preserve history so that our future generations can also know about our rich customs. Like how we have come to know about the rich custom, rich culture by our ancestors, they used to follow. So even our coming generations should also know about them. That is why it is important to keep them safe, to preserve them.
When I find out the answer in book.
Very nice, Shobit. You found out? Great.
Ma'am, can you tell what is the meaning of rich customs?
But at the meaning of rich customs, they are good habits, the customs, the things they used to follow. Now, what are customs? Customs like beliefs and all. Okay, let me just see how the exact meaning of customs, how I can explain you. Just wait for a minute. Like the traditions and culture they used to follow comes under the customs, beta. That our ancestors used to follow, you can relate it to that.
Ma'am, on answer 2, I can do the reserve one. Ma'am, I don't know the answer of
Why it is important to preserve it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that our future generations can also know about them. If we will not keep it safe, if we will destroy it, if we will spoil it, how will our future generation come to see it? So it is important, so that our future generations can also learn about our rich customs, habits.
Ma'am, after these all question answers,
Yes.
you discuss the answer.
Huh? What?
Ma'am, after these all, you
Hmm.
can discuss the answer.
Yes, I will discuss the answer.
Now, what is the fifth question?
Fifth question, beta. Name two foreigners who visited India. What do their accounts tell us? Oh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent something in the chat box. Please tell is it is correct or not.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, I don't know the third, fourth, and fifth one.
Okay, the last line, Akshadha, that you have written, it also appreciate. No, it also lets us appreciate. It also makes us appreciate the rich customs. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Jaskaran, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that I don't know the third, fourth, and fifth answer.
Third one, what? Which one? Beta, just read it out.
Ma'am, these are in the answer the following in detail.
Arey beta, I know in answer the following. Okay, you don't know the difference between archaeological source and literary source?
Yes, ma'am. These three questions I don't know.
Okay, tell me, what is Ramayana? Is it a literary source or archaeological source?
Archaeological.
No. Okay, see, I will tell you the difference. Anything that comes under a written record, anything that was written in the past and then later historians explored it, discovered it, it is literary source of history. And any object like coins, plates, or any buildings, they come under the archaeological source of history. Only the written records come under literary source of history, whether it is Ramayana, Mahabharata, Upanishads, Purans, autobiographies, biographies, stories about the past. These are all literary sources. Okay, now just Karan, open the book and take help of the book and try to frame the answer in your own words.
Ma'am, it is ma'am in third question it is difference or differentiate.
In which question?
Third.
Third question it is? What
Ma'am,
is it?
differentiate or difference.
It's differentiate. Differentiate means tell the difference. Tell the difference between archaeological source and literary source of history.
Okay.
Now I have done all the question answer.
Very nice. Very good. So in all, how many students have done it? Shobit, Mokshit and Shaurya. 3 students?
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, Kanav
Ma'am, I
Mittal. Very nice. 4 students have done it. Yatharth has also done very good.
Ma'am, can we send on group?
Send it to, okay, send it on the group. Send your work on the class group, those who have done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in our exams, ma'am, the details question answer will also come.
No, they will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we can't complete the work, can we do it tomorrow?
No, beta, Varshita, please try to do it today. Already, see, this is the second period for this work. There are only 5 questions.
Ma'am, I have done my work, Athav Gupta.
Very nice, beta, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Excuse-
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, I'm so with ma'am, my notebook is filled, so ma'am, I written only answers, ma'am.
Beta. Now do one thing. On the blank side, your notebook has 2 sides, one lining and one blank
Yes.
side. On the blank
Yes,
paper,
ma'am.
write all the questions.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, posted.
Yes. Have you posted the work already?
Ma'am, I posted answers.
Okay, now write questions also. For your convenience, just write down the questions and show it to me on the camera. Need not post it. Just show it to me after writing it.
Ma'am, please scroll down. चैट कर दोगे पर दबाओगे चैट अबाउट
Yes, Ashray, you want to ask something?
नो मैम
Their lifestyle. Their lifestyle. हाँ. And also what is
What, Athar?
name of rulers. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't understand which example I will write in autobiography. Sorry, biography.
Which example? You want to know the example
Ma'am,
that you can write.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yeah, Akbarnama and Babarnama. Now find out Akbarnama is what? Autobiography or biography? And Babarnama, what is it? Just look into the book and find out what is Akbarnama and what is Babarnama.
Ma'am, I have done the question. Ma'am, please see.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have. Please check my work. I have done the question. Ma'am, I have written the question. Ma'am, please see.
Okay, show. All right, very nice. Yes, now who else is asking something?
Ma'am, I want to say something, Akshudha.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, I have sent my work on the group, so please can you check?
All right, I'll just see the work. Akshada, is that your number? 50506 in the end? Yes, it's your number. Very nice work, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, differentiate between archaeological source and literary source of history. See, both you have explained it very well. Now you can just, to add second point, you can just give examples. Examples of archaeological sources are dash, dash, and dash. Examples of literary sources are this, this, and this. It will be another point.
Ma'am, coins, culture, and buildings.
What? Yes, yes, very
Ma'am,
nice.
coins, culture, and monuments. When I am sitting idle, can I read the book?
Which book you want to read?
Ma'am, excursions, STM.
No, Shobit, I can't still understand.
Ma'am, I am sitting idle. Can I read the ST book?
Yes, of course. Why not? That's very nice.
Ma'am, I have already written my examples.
You have already written examples. Wait, let me see where you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
written examples. Literary sources are written records, accounts, fiction, etc. Archaeological sources is the study of remains. Okay, in archaeological, now beta make it second point. The examples are monuments, buildings, coins, tools, etc. And in literary sources, the examples are Upanishads, Vedas, Purans. Make it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, again, next period is with me. Your next period is with me. I have arrangement in your class. For the next period, what
Okay,
you all
ma'am.
do is you will be ready with your colors, your sketch pens, your scale. We are going to do some drawing work.
Then we do diagrams.
Yes, we are going to draw something in the next period.
Ma'am, we have to take out the A4 sheet also.
Yes, if you have a chart paper, A4 sheet, anything like that, you can take it out. Any drawing file, anything that you have.
Ma'am, what we will draw?
I will tell you then only. I just want all of you to be prepared with it.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what is the meaning of ancestors?
Beta, ancestors are people who lived long ago. The people who
Okay.
are not
But ma'am,
alive now.
in our life they not live now.
Sorry, what?
Then in our life they not live.
No, they are not alive now. They lived in the past.
Okay.